The Little Girl by John Michael Montgomery. Let's get started. Hey, Aaron Smith here. This is a very popular song when it first came out. And I used to actually play it in a different key, but it just didn't sound right to me, so I went ahead and learned it in the original key so you could play right along with the song. Okay, it starts out like this. That's how it starts out. So I'll keep doing it. I'll do it again. Just like that. Okay, one more time. Kind of slow it down a little bit. There's how it starts. Okay, when he starts singing, it goes like this. Her parents never took the young girl to church, never spoke of his name, never read his word. Two non-believers lost in this world take their baby with them. What a sad little girl. That's how that goes. So I'll do it again because I kind of messed up on it. So it goes, her parents never took the young girl to church, never spoke of his name, never read his word. Two non-believers walk lost in this world, take the baby with them. What a sad little girl. I gotta mark this thing here a minute. So it's just a little tricky there. Let me get this down here. There we go. Okay, let me do it again. I'll kind of slow it down a little bit. Her parents never took the young girl to church, never spoke of his name, never read his word. Two non-believers walking lost in this world took their baby with them. What a sad little girl. So it goes like that. Back to her dad drank all day, her mama did drugs, never wanting to play, give kisses and hugs. She's watched TV sitting there on the couch while her mother fell asleep and her daddy went out. Okay, there's that part. Okay, I'll do that part again. Her daddy drank all day, her mama did drugs, never wanting to play, give kisses and hugs. She just kind of work with it. Just kind of tricky there a little bit. Now the next part. Okay, so you're right here. And the drinking and the fighting just got worse every night. Behind their couch, she'd be hiding. Oh, what a sad little life. So I'll do it again. So you're here, and then it goes, and the drinking and the fighting just got worse every night. Behind their couch, she'd be hiding. Oh, what a sad little life. One more time. And the drinking and the fighting just got worse every night. Behind their couch, she'd be hiding. Oh, what a sad little life. And there's that part. Now you just come back to the beginning again. So I'll do that again. That's just the beginning again now. Then back to a verse. Just like always, the bad just got worse with every slap and every curse, till her daddy and drunk rage one night put a gun to his mom, then took his life. And some people from the city took the girl far away to a new mom and a new dad. Hugs and kisses every day. Right here, this last verse, you go like this. Just go up. It's real easy. It goes up. Her first day of Sunday school, the teacher walked in, and a small little girl stared up at a picture of him. She said, I know that man there on the cross. I don't know his name, but I know he got off. He was there in my old house and held me close to his side as I hid there behind our couch the night my parents died. So there it is. There's your whole song there. Of course, I kind of messed up here and there, but you get the picture of it. So now you're going to see your what your next lesson going to be. Till next time, later.